welcome back to Tuesday's Tips and Tricks.
Today I'm going to have Miss Jade demonstrating some exercises for stability and balance using our yoga blocks.
All right, everyone, for our first exercise today, you're going to want 2 yoga blocks. Go ahead and set them side by side. Step up onto them with the balls of the feet only. You're going to want those heels to hang off. You're going to put your hands in a first position. We're going to keep our weight on the balls of our feet, and we're going to rise up to releve. And we're going to relax flat. And back up. And back down. And go ahead and do this 4 times in a row, all the way up. And all the way down. And one more. And we want to make sure that those legs stay 100% straight and the weight stays on the ball of our feet. All right, for our second exercise, you're only going to want 1 yoga block. You're going to go ahead and put your entire foot on the yoga block this time, and you're going to push up into that passe. Put those hands in that first position, and we're going to do small plies and straighten that leg. Let's go ahead and do it 4 times. Plie and straight, plie and straight, plie and straight, plie and hold. We're going to want to make sure to do this on both sides to train ourselves equally. All right, for our third exercise, we're going to start in a lunge and only use 1 yoga block again, and we're going to push off that back foot straight up into our passe, and we're going to balance, and we're going to step back, and we're going to do it again. Nice good lunge, making sure our shoulders, hips, and knee are even up to that passe, and 2 more times, all the way down, and push straight up, and 1 more, and straight up. And once again, we want to make sure we do this on both sides. All right, for our next exercise, you're going to want 2 yoga blocks. You're going to want to sit up nice and tall, bring those feet all the way together and nice and pointed. You're going to lift 1 leg at a time as far up as you can. You're going to bring it over on the other side of the yoga block. Do not place it on the ground. Bring it up and then back down to relax it. Now alternate feet for me. All the way up and out and back up and down, and continue. As we do this, we want to make sure that heel is on the inside, so we're working those hips, and the toe is on the outside. Beautiful. Now we can also do this in a flex position. So we want to make sure, once again, those feet are turned out. We're sitting up nice and tall, and we're going to lift and release, and lift and release, and again, lift and release, and lift, and 2 more, and lift, and release, lift, and down, and lift, release, lift, and down. All right, everyone, for our last exercise, we're going to go back to using 1 yoga block. This is really going to test that balance and strength. You're going to step up onto your yoga block with your entire foot, come up to passe and straighten that supporting leg. We're going to extend our leg out into our forward position. Bring it back into our passe. Now to your second position, out to your corner, into passe, and then to our arabesque, and back to passe. And let's do that 1 more time. All the way in front of us, and to passe, and to our corner, and to passe, and arabesque, and to passe. And once again, please make sure we are using both feet when we are training.
All right, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed these exercises. Remember, to see the most improvement, do it as much as you can every week. Check back in next Tuesday for more tips and tricks.